In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you're getting no sound coming through your headset while playing on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner. Then we're going to scroll down to Sound. From Sound Settings, scroll down to Audio Output. And where it says Output Device, you want to change this from TV to Controller Headset. Now, if you don't see the Controller Headset option at all, this means your PS5 isn't even recognizing that you've plugged in a headset. So make sure it's plugged in properly to your controller or PS5, and if it's still not popping up, I'd recommend swapping out your controller or headset to see if that's the problem. So after that, go to Switch Output Device automatically. I recommend you turn that on. Then we're going to scroll down here, and for output to headphones, you can select all audio or voice chat audio. Then you want to go back, and we're going to scroll down on the left sidebar to volume, and make sure your headphone volume's turned up here, as well as if you have a volume dial on your actual headset, make sure that's turned up as well. Now what we're going to do is go back, and we're going to scroll down, and you want to go to Accessories. From here, you can go to Controller General, and for your DualSense wireless controller, make sure it's up to date with the latest software, as if it's not up to date, this can cause performance issues for your controller, as well as your headset if it's plugged in there. Now, if you still have no sound at this point, I'd recommend swapping out your hardware to find out what the issue is, as well as restarting your console. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.